现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and here's a song from Dong Dong called Liu Long, which means wandering. It's really about Taiwan's sunshine map, a very scientific song. How the position of the sun over Taiwan shifts with every season, and even though it rises in the east and sets in the west every day, but there's still some difference as the season changes. So let's take a listen to it.
日天日头啦啦走，爱你目前有时间。北非归线行一天，莫少莫离，亲落线。秋风起，转来了，穷阳安正爱嘅新家乡，习惯流浪嘅人，讲秋分。秋愛向南路，故所興可能，日頭東升西落，南來北往，從沒聽過。衝啊，一生鮮也風發，闖多年。
这首歌呢是来自于东东的作品，叫做《流浪》流浪，里面的灵感呢是来自于台湾的日照图哦，是在讲台湾的太阳方位四季呢会有一些变化，虽然呢都是从东边升起，西边落下，但会因为季节还有时间的不同，有一些微微的差距，也唱出每一个季节的阳光呢都会代表着不同的感情。好，我们继续来收聽。
南來北往，從無聽過。衝啊，一生鮮也風發，闖到夜落，繼續流浪。
Even though a scientific song, but it's really about the beautiful sunshine of Taiwan. Hope you liked it. We will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.